Good morning everyone. Standard 3 Environment. So today we are going to start chapter number 10 about kitchen, and now we are going to start our book. So here question number 1. Choose the correct alternative from. The what is used remove puris to pakoras from the pan after frying them, that means a frying spoon. Which of the following tools does not belong to the kitchen? That means unsteel cooker, bucket, plate, that means bucket. Which implements is useful for cooking food with the help of solar energy? That means a solar cooker. Which of the following can be eaten raw? Potato, round broom, cucumber, bitter, that means cucumber. Which cooking method is used make bhakri? That means roasting. Which food is cooked by steaming? That means khamar. And eating too much food cooked by which method can prove harmful to health? That means fry. Without what does food taste bland? That means salt. Now question number 2, fill in the blanks. The energy required to cook food in a solar cooker is obtained from the dash, that means sun. The dash method of cooking is used to make a dhokla, that means steaming. We use dash to light a chula, that means fuel. Sail made from dash and in the kind. Bake on the dashing against anything, that means mud. Food made in a cooker is cooked by the dash method, that means steaming. Your mother is making fenugreek pakoras, that means methina gotas. Your mother is using the dash method of cooking, that means frying. Now, question number 3. Put right mark in the statement that are true and wrong, that means false. Food is cooked quickly in the pressure cooker, that means yes, true. Cooking food on a chula is good for the environment, wrong. We use a round pot for making tea or coffee, wrong. We can add carrot, tomatoes, cucumber raw, right. Roshan makes dhoklas. We will use the roasting method of cooking, wrong. Food is cooked in a solar cooker with the weight of the sun, right. Lemonade is made by adding sugar and lemon juice to the water, yes. Now question number 4. Match the column appropriately. Column A and B. Then frying, that means puri. Roasting, that means bhakri. Steaming, that means dhoklas. Shallow frying, that means paratha. And roasting on the fire, that means corn on the cob. Now question number 5. What giving question. Given the below the different methods of cooking, write the names of 2 things cooked by each this method and add some more method of cooking to the list and give example. The method of cooking roasting, that means bhakri and roti. Steaming, that means soup and potatoes. The name things is potatoes. Frying, that means puri and samosa. Baking, that means cake and handwa. Steaming, that means rice and khaman. Shallowing frying, that means vegetables and parathas. Then now question number 6 is not doing. Then question number 7. Answer the question given below. Which things to cook before eating and which things we get raw? Which are the things we eat both cook and raw? So here this one box giving. So here first giving the things boil steam before eating. So rice, khichdi, khaman, idli, dhokla. Then things that are eaten raw. Then carrot, tomato, cucumbers, fruits, onions. Things that are eaten cooked. Rice, pulse, khichdi, bhakri, roti. And things that are eaten both raw and cooked. Then cabbage, carrot, onion, potatoes and radish. Then next question number 8. Answer the following question in the one sentence. First, what kind of utensils were used earlier? What were they made of? The ancient time utensil used to be bigger and heavier than this seen today and lovely design on them too. Question number 2. What can be made in a cooker? Khichdi, rice, dal, vegetables, pulse, carrot, halwa, etc. can be made in a cooker. And third one. Write the name of any 10 utensils used for cooking in the kitchen of your house. That means large bowl, bowls, frying lids, cookers, frying pan, plate for mixing duct, spatula, spoon, rice and pot. Then 4. Which condiments, say masala, are used in cooking? The condiments like salt, red chili powder, turmeric powder, fenugreek seeds, mustard seeds, etc. are used in cooking. Then next, which food items are cooked before eating in your house? The various food like grains, pulse, vegetables, etc. What are utensils made of? The utensils are accident time used to be made for coppers, brass, iron, wood and bronze. Question number 9. Answer the following question briefly. Which dishes does your mother make from raw ingredients without cooking them? So my mother make the following dishes from the raw ingredients without cooking them. Lemon dal, salad of raw mangoes, onions, jaggery, chutney of garlic and red chilies, lassi, mango pudding, raitu, cards, etc. Now question number 2. What are the benefits of using solar cooker? So sun's energy is obtained directly from the sun, fuel of the same. Food is easy to digest. Then food cooked and steamed with the help of the solar energy is most nutritious and healthy. Food cooked in the solar cooker related its original taste and qualities. The next question number 10. Which are the other things you can prepare without cooking? So lemon water, mix sugar in water, then add lemon juice, strain it, and lemon water is ready. Same. Fruit dish. So dish various fruit, add salt, sugar and chaat masala, mix all the things well, the fruit dish is ready. Then lassi. So take 1 cup curd and sugar to it, add small ice cube, blend in the mixture and the lassi is ready. Then question number 11. Identify the pictures. So this one is chulha. Then this one coal stove, this one gas stove, this one solar cooker, this one primer stove and electric hot plate. That here name giving, this one join. That means chulha, that means wood and powdering cakes. Gas stove, that means gas. Stove, that means kerosene. Coal stove, that means coal. Solar cooker, that means sunlight. Electric hot plate, that means electricity. Then hot questions. Answer the following questions. 1. Which of the following method is benefit for the informant? That means cooking on the gas stove. Utensil made from which of the following materials were not in use in olden times? That means steel. Which of the following vegetables can be eaten raw as well as cooked? That means onions. That means which of the following appliances in the kerosene use? That means primer stove. What is the liquid prepared by mixing curd, sugar and ice known as? That means lassi. So here chapter number 10 about kitchen completed.